when I chose to feel it for myself. Tomás woke up late again, his coffee cup in hand, but his energy already fading. He thought, there must be a better way to start my days. Between freelance work and endless messages, meals became an afterthought. Tomás laughed at himself. I'm helping everyone else with designs, but not taking care of me. One weekend, a friend invited him to a local wellness fair. Come, Tomás, you'll love it. It's full of ideas and energy, she said. At one stand, someone talked about a kit, a day one. Tomás thought, interesting, but I don't want to just hear about it. I want to feel it first. Back home, Tomás opened the kit. He took a sip, almost like a secret experiment. A smile crossed his face. This feels different. The next morning, Tomás noticed something. He wasn't dragging his feet. His steps felt lighter. He thought, it's like starting my day with a clean canvas. Day by day, the small changes piled up. More focus at work. Fewer crashes in the afternoon. Tomás whispered, I guess this is what balance feels like. When friends asked why he seemed brighter, Tomás smiled. I just tried something that made me feel good. Want me to show you? Tomás reflected. If I'm going to recommend something, I need to live it first. That's how I know it's real. And so, what began as a small choice became a doorway. Tomás realized that, sometimes, the best way to inspire others is simply to start with yourself. With a gentle smile, he added, if you ever feel curious, I found mine through the club's SinRebote online store. It was just the beginning of my journey.